For the top of the breakfast bar, a simple round plug would look too plain. Instead, I use wooden plugs rotated 45 degrees, essentially square plugs set in a diamond orientation. This small detail adds a handmade touch that stands out just a bit. Next, I work on the niche in the front wall. A niche is a partially recessed shelf-like space. It's designed to hold small items or decorations. Usually, only the bottom is made of wood, acting as a small shelf. I'm using the same Hinoki cypress as the cap rail. I wonder what will be placed here. Finally, I finish the ends of the long and short cap rails. I use a hand plane to smooth them out and make a wide chamfer on the corners. Then I install the drywall and it's complete. I finished building the pony wall around the kitchen and the breakfast bar in front. Adding a breakfast bar to an otherwise open kitchen improves versatility and brings a touch of luxury. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.